Hey guys, today I would like to share with you on how I created this beautiful base. I will teach you how to achieve different base with different techniques and tools. You can apply it according to your skin and your makeup preferences. Base is totally breathable and it is a very long wearing base makeup. So let's get on to it. So I have a very high coverage foundation with me. One is Maybelline Superstay. Another is Pharmacy VFX. Then I have this Palladio Build and Blend Foundation Drops. I'm gonna go with Pharmacy first. So this one is a very high coverage foundation. Of foundation is not to conceal your flaws or imperfection. It is used to even out your skin tone. So do not use your foundation to tutup you punya flaws. That is not how you do it. So a foundation should finish like this. Should have a finish macam ni. So if you want to add extra coverage, you can just add on more foundation. Ini je. It's very, the amount of it is very small amount. You don't even need like one palm to achieve a glowy base. So you can see that my scar is actually fading. Difference between brush ni dengan this brush ni, dia dense and you boleh buff it into your skin. A beauty blender pun can give you a very flawless base, but in my opinion, it cannot give you a skin like kalau you just, dia tak akan masuk dalam kulit tau. Dia macam bagi you macam selapis product on your face. Okay, Palladio ni is actually a build and blend foundation drop. So you boleh adjust sendiri what shade you nak. See that it looks less skin-like, but it is full coverage. So these are the differences using 3 foundation and 3 different tools. So you can see that this is more skin-like compared to this. So I think I'm gonna proceed with another layer here using this foundation. Just a dot. So to cover my acne scars, I'm going to spot conceal, lightly dab. See, it's gone. I don't like to cover unnecessary things, so cover apa yang you perlu saja. Okay. So bila you highlight, I always practice not to go here so much. So I just blend. I akan pergi bawah dulu kat sini, and then baru I bawa ke sini. So this is how a clean and skin-like base should look like. We can add on some blusher if you want. So I'm using Butira. If I have a very clear skin, I actually prefer to use something like tint, like Go Go tint, because it will give you a very fresh looking skin. For the contour, you can use something like this. So to finish off this look, I am going to use Dark New Glossy Girl in the shade Crazy in Love. So the conclusion is different foundation, different tools, different technique will give you different results. I redo the whole base with this VFX foundation. Overall, you have to know what is your preferences and the condition of your skin. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you to create your beautiful base. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.